your Constitution that establishes the rule of law and the judicial independence that is so central to it. The oath that I have solemnly taken tonight means at its core that I will do my job without any fear or favor, and that I will do so independently of both the political branches and of my own preferences.
Joseph Haynes Davis, a lawyer in Orlando, Florida, joins me live. Welcome to the programme. Put into context, if you will, what the consequences of this decision is for the upcoming election and also for generations to come.
Well, I would challenge the issue of consequences. I would say to you that there is no entitlement to a liberal court. The question is always whether or not the process is constitutional. In this instance, it has been. Now, the Democrats, in protest, have called this process illegitimate, rushed, etc. On the other hand, the Republicans have a majority in the Senate, and the Republicans have, respectfully, a majority in the White House in the embodiment of Donald J. Trump. He is still the president. So the question becomes whether or not this is constitutional. Now, as to what happens in generations afar that we may not be able to see because we are in the instant moment, you just don't know. But at the end of the day, as an attorney myself, most clients come to me and ask me, what is the law? What is the law as written now? And what is the law in the instant moment? Not what the law should be. And apparently, according to her testimony and according to her oath and her speech, Justice Barrett is committed to the fidelity of upholding the law and the fidelity of applying the law. And let me also remind all of your viewers and everyone beyond in the world, at the end of the day, it is the independence of the judiciary which is the most important element of this process. The judiciary must be independent.
Okay.
And there are times when, if I may, there are times when a justice will apply the law, not like the outcome, but the outcome is what the law prescribes.
Okay. And Joseph, what big cases will she be working on in the short term, and how significant will they be?
Well, from what I understand, she goes to work immediately on matters that will come before her. Now, as far as what those cases are, I'm not so sure. I have heard and read reports that the Affordable Care Act is one of the matters that may come before her. Other matters that may come before her again are matters like the Second Amendment and so forth that might come again. The Second Amendment issues came before the court earlier this year, and the court decided not to rule on them. If I recall, that was a Second Amendment case out of the state of New York. That can change. So we will see, and each day is a new day. You will see how this court begins to approach applying the law to matters that come before it.
Thank you so much for that analysis. Joseph Haynes Davis, a lawyer in Orlando, Florida. Appreciate it.